You know, I thought I saw daylight over here. Yep, sure do. That's the tire down there. And then I was poking around over here, and oh, yep, that's daylight too. I mean, the driver's side is, well, it's all chewy. That's supposed to be a section of subframe. The floorboard is where? The floorboard is where my feet are poking through. I don't know. The saga continues. What do you see under here? Ready for this? I'll go slowly. I'll tease, slip it, burlesque. Oh, some insulation. But there's no floor. Wow. That's a heat shield for the cat, so I gotta put metal. I don't want to put anything flammable there. Oh boy. And that's perfect. We just need to cut that out. Alright, that'll be good until I make a proper panel. Yeah. There we go, good as new. Just put a little tape over that vent.